In this short video guide, I want to show you how you can use a really interesting and useful feature that you can find in Google Chrome, and you can use if you have a Google account. So first of all, you need to have a Google account. When you do that, you can use this Find Your Phone tool, which is really interesting because it's gonna help you to locate your phone by making it ring, by making, and you will hear your the sound of your phone, even if you for example you leave it silenced without any sound, or with just only the vibration. You can locate it as well because it's gonna emit sound. So you can check all the information right here on how to do that, and you can also secure your device, or you can also reset it, everything remotely like that. So I will show you here how it works with mine. So in this case, if I get here in Get Started, it's not going to be able to find anything associated with this particular account that I'm using in this browser here, but I will show you one where I actually have my browser connected. So here it's gonna find my device. Now you can use your laptop, your desktop. Right now I'm using my laptop, but I can use any device that can access Google search or Google Chrome. And then when you get there, be sure that you have logged in your Google account. Otherwise, it won't recognize your phone and you will not be able to find it. So these are the most important things that you need to do. Just use Google Chrome anywhere, any device, but make sure that you have logged in. You can see here at the top, I have my little icon that is showing me that I am logged in this browser. So here it's gonna find my device, my phone, because it's actually with my Google account. So it knows what my smartphone is, and I can click here. Now, sorry, this is in Italian here, but it's the same thing in English. This is for making it sound right here. So if I click here, it's gonna play my song that I'm using for my ringtone. And also if I click here, I can access, this is to, well, these are some additional options that you can find right here. So again, you can play the audio file of your ringtone. You can block your device, or you can reset your device. Now be careful with this because it's gonna actually block it. So if you leave your smartphone somewhere without any, well, with the silence mode on, without any sound, you can override that information and making it sound, however, using this tool here. So it's gonna give you approximately the location where your phone is. It's a pretty big area, but let's consider that, for example, you know that you were maybe in a particular shop or in a particular house. Then you can get back and making it sound, and you're gonna hear it. Or if you are, for example, in a park and there is no one around, and you can make it sound, you can hear it from a long distance. So I think this is a pretty useful tool. And this is all for this guide. It was a really easy and fast and how you say, useful, I guess, video guide. If you enjoy it, please leave your comments, questions, suggestions, and also support us with our YouTube channel. Please subscribe here and check these links to support us. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next guide.